surge in cases comes with flu season looming and the holidays just around the corner.
What could it all lead to? 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell has the concerns of doctors at Henry Ford Health System.
More than 13,000 people have been diagnosed with COVID-19 in Michigan in the last week. Leaders in the Henry Ford Health System warn the data shows this is not just due to an increase in testing. In the Henry Ford Health System right now, there are 97 patients admitted with COVID-19. This is significantly less than the peak in April, when about 1,000 people were hospitalized in the system with the virus. However, it is an increase from hospitalization levels we saw over the summer. Plus, a greater percentage of tests done are coming back positive for COVID-19.
What this is telling us is the increase in the number of cases we are seeing is not only related to increased testing, but we are definitely seeing an increase in the transmission of the virus.
Executive Vice President and Chief Clinical Officer of Henry Ford Health, Dr. Adnan Munkara, says many of the people sick right now are young, infected as schools and colleges opened.
If the infection starts spreading with our elderly population and more vulnerable population, we are going to be in trouble.
The concern is that this population could continue to spread it to other more vulnerable populations as we head into the holiday season, leading to a spike in hospitalizations rivaling what we saw at the beginning of the pandemic.
We have seen this come up very fast in March and April. And this can do that if we are not careful and we don't follow the measures that we think are protective.
Those measures are social distancing, wearing masks, washing hands, and avoiding large indoor gatherings, even with family for the upcoming holidays.
Let's extend our love virtually this time, because unfortunately, if we get together and we extend our love by hugging and being next to each other, we might spread a virus that might cause a life loss for a loved one.
Dr. Munkara says he cannot predict what will happen next because it is so dependent on what all of us do. He says one thing is certain: if everyone who is in contact with each other wears masks, we will slow the spread. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Certainly good advice. Mask up. Thank you, Kim.